Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to enable, create, and publish multi-screen synchronized programs. Let's begin with the definition of multi-screen synchronized program. A multi-screen synchronized program is the one published to and synced automatically across multiple screens through the auto-calibration of playback progress. Before publishing synchronized programs, get to know the prerequisites. Ensure that your player is directly connected to the USB cable or your PC and player are on the same LAN, then enable NTP settings. Take LAN mode as an example. Launch Player Master and click on Software Settings. Switch to LAN mode. Right-click LAN and select Refresh. Select the target device and click on Time. Choose Settings and toggle NTP Settings on. Make sure the address under NTP Server is the best in your region. Take pool.ntp.org, a universal NTP server address, as an example. Click on Connection Test, and a green line that reads IDS NTP Test Success appears, indicating that the address is available. Note that all players share one NTP server address. In the same dialog, set the time accuracy. Refresh interval represents the interval for synchronizing the NTP server. Threshold indicates the bias range for synchronization. The default parameters are applied generally. When an on-site delay occurs or precise synchronization is required, modify the interval and offset range manually. Once done, click on Apply to complete settings. The following explains how to publish synchronized programs. Click on Program. Select plus New to create a program and set its name and resolution. Click on Plus to create a program window. In the pop-up options, select Synchronization window. Choose a material and click on Maximization to fill the entire screen. Note that a program page accommodates only one synchronized program window, and a synchronized program window supports video and picture only. To create more synchronized windows, right-click a program page and select New Page to create a synchronized window in the newly added program page. Click on Save and Publish and select the desired device or group for publishing. That's the takeaway about multi-screen synchronized programs. Subscribe to the Colorlight channel and stay tuned for more updates.